This is a Cecarol 3-burner propane gas griddle, and we have been cooking on it since about last fall. So here is how it works. Turn on the propane on the gas bottle. Each knob or burner has their own ignition, and each burner, or each knob I have to say, controls that particular burner. You let the top get hot for about 2 to 5 minutes, and then you are ready to make chicken thighs, burgers, eggs, bacon, toast hamburger buns, and whatever your heart desires. It fits about 12 burgers, in case you wanted to know. There is also a grease trap on the side. Make sure you regularly empty it. The griddle itself is very easy to clean. We do have a regular grill, but we mostly now cook on our griddle. If you are on the fence with buying a griddle, I can personally recommend this one. We love it, and we would buy it again.